Hello, this is the Invisible Man from palmpreforum.org. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you the calendar app on the Palm Pre. I'll start off by opening it. I'm also going to show you a few how it syncs and everything and how it works with Google. Start off, I like month view. As you can see here, you can click month, you can click week, or you can click day view. I'm going to start off in month. It's very simple. Basically, you can here's your menu options. You have edit, you have your cut, copy, paste. You can show today. You can jump to a certain date. You can choose what date you would like to jump to, or you can go today. You can also get to that by clicking right there. That will also get you a jump to dialog. Preferences and accounts. Here's all your preferences and accounts for your calendar. First day of the week, you can change that to whatever you'd like. Days start and end, you can change that to whatever you'd like. Default event reminders, you can set default ones, whether it's timed. There you go. You can see you can set default ones for every time you create a new event. Also, all day reminders. You can set events for that. Event reminders, you can either turn those on and off completely. Default event duration. And here's your accounts. You can add more. You can delete them as well. If you click this, you can actually see in my Google Calendar, I actually have two calendars set up, the main calendar and just the work calendar. I just created these as dummies. I don't actually use Google Calendars yet. But your default calendar obviously displays in all calendar views, and you can choose whether or not your other calendars display in all calendar views. And you can also change the color of the calendars, how they show up. So you have full options on that. You can also remove the account or change your login settings, which I'm not going to do right now. You can also change your default calendar to whatever you'd like. You also have a Sync Now button and Add Account. If you add an account, there's your options, Google, Facebook, and Microsoft Exchange. Tell it to Sync Now, syncs your accounts real quick. I'm not sure how often it syncs automatically, although I know it is an instant, and I'm going to demonstrate that here in a minute. Say you want to add an event. Say I have an event on the 27th. You can come here, and I just say, okay, 9 o'clock, type it, meeting. Then you can click this little I to add details. You choose which calendar you want it to go on. I'm going to keep it on my main calendar. You can either set it as an all-day event, or you can give it a start and end time. Say it ends at 12 o'clock. There we go. The event is 3 hours long. Event location, let's just say the park. Repeat, you can set that up. No repeat, daily, weekdays, weekly, or custom. There you go. And reminders, you have your reminders here. That's as far as it goes. That's all you can get to. You can also put in some event notes. Bring snacks. Sounds more like a picnic. This is a repeating event. Oops, I didn't actually mean to set it as repeating. Okay, well at least you get that little notification. There you go. So now you have your meeting set up there. You can see now there's a little area there where you can see that you're using time. You go to weekly, you can see that. Also daily, right there. What you can do is say you're on a specific day and you want to go to the next day, use a gesture to swipe over, go back. Very simple. Also, if you wanted to see just your main calendar, see there it is green. Let me actually give you a better demonstration of this. Say on the 28th, I create an event, says picnic. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. And then I go back to my month view. Oh, actually, let me actually change what calendar this is on real quick. I'll put this on my work calendar. So you can see it changed the color. Oops. Still getting used to this. And as you can see, they're both gray, but if I choose my main calendar, there, that lights that up green, that stays gray. If I choose my work calendar, lights that up pink, that goes to gray. So you can kind of filter it, see, what you're doing. Also, if you click on a day and say I have another event here at noon, it's a meeting. Okay, do that. And there's where you get your collapsing, where it shows 2 hours free. I can put another meeting here. And actually, I don't know if it does it over, if it's only 1 hour. Let's see, hold on. Let's go back and put that. Okay, so it must be the minimum is 2 hours for it to collapse like that. Okay, and if you want to see that free time, you can just click there, and you get the nice little expanding folder sort of thing to see. If I want to sync all these, like I said, it's not instant, but what you can do is actually, you can force a sync. I don't know if it syncs every day, I'm really not sure on that, but you can hit sync now, sync your accounts. Okay, so your accounts are synced. I go here, I can refresh Firefox. I'm going to hit F5, and there's all those events I added. Okay, and if I wanted to see my work calendar, click work right here, it adds that in. I could go back, get rid of the main calendar. You can see it's all there, and if I go to my calendar right here, it matches up perfectly. You see the free time I have, and I can go in, I can edit these event details, say it changed from a picnic to, let's say it's now an outing. Okay, save it. It saves on here. All I have to do, like I said, I don't know how often this does update automatically, but I can sync my calendars again. I'll wait for it. Go back, and now you can see it's changed to an outing. It's very simple. I can also move which calendar this is on. If I want that to be moved to my main calendar, do that, no problem. Go back and sync it again. And wait for it to sync. It's actually fairly quick. Refresh this, and there we go. Now you can see it's actually on my main calendar. Let's see, what else do we have in calendar? I think that might be about it. Oh, you can also hit new. You can do event or all day event. Say all day event, and you can just choose everything right here rather than going to a specific day. Actually, I think that has to be on a specific day. Yeah. So okay, if you just want to create a new event rather than clicking on a certain time, you can just create it that way. Other than that, I think that's about it for calendar. Also, just so you know, this does sync with your Facebook calendar. So if you have your Facebook account linked to this, which I do not, but I have tried it. If you say, okay, if you RSVP to an event and say you're going, it'll automatically add that to your Facebook calendar on here, and it'll give you all the details and everything on it. So it's very nice. It's a great calendar application. I really like it. I don't know if you know this, but it actually circles the day that it is. So it's kind of an interesting little way to do it. It makes it look kind of nice. Again, I know you can see my Google account here, my email and everything. Please do not email me at that address. If you'd like to contact me, either contact me through my Twitter at twitter.com/theinvisibleman, or you can just leave comments on the YouTube.